All right, so we have a new update. We have added a designated column for the Google Slides props and rewards. It's already updated on the CLB. It's already updated on the PLB if you're buying the Express PLB new. It's updated on all the different tabs. So it's all updated on my end. But you need to go add it to your personal lesson bank. So, and everyone needs to do this or your columns won't align correctly. So let me show you what you need to do. So go to your personal lesson bank. Here's my personal lesson bank. And you need to do it, if you have the Express personal lesson bank, you need to do it in 3 places, 4 if you want. And I'll show you. So on your schedule maker, you come here, you're just gonna scroll down and you come to the digital rewards and props column. So column number K, and you click the K. So at the very top, so it highlights all of the column. And then what you're going to do is right click. So instead of one, to your right click, this one. Right click on this one, come down, and you're going to insert one to the right here. Insert one to the right. You click that and it's going to say you're editing it, and you're going to say I know I want to. So you click OK. And then it will add a column to the right, and you're just going to repeat this step 3 times. So we have the digital, and you can either copy it and paste it over and then change it, or we're just going to type Google Slides, and then I like to put it on a different row, so do the Control Enter or Command Enter, and then props and rewards. That's what the column's going to be named. And then you're going to repeat this. Go to Format, Classes, scroll down here to the digital rewards and props again. Select the whole column, right click, insert one to the right. And again, Google Slides. Whoa, but not spell it correctly. Google Slides, props, and rewards. Done. Come to My Classes. So we've done Schedule Maker, we've done the format. Now you just need to go to My Classes again. And again, digital rewards and props, select the whole column at the top, right click, insert one to the right, Google Slides, Control Enter or Command Enter, props, and rewards. And now you're all set up. If you want, so that you're totally completely set up, you can come down here to your backup schedule maker and add it there as well. I have more tabs, so ignore my tabs, but yours, just scroll to the end and your backup schedule maker will be here. And then one more time, select the whole thing, right click, insert one to the right, and you have, woohoo, not digital, Google Slides, Control, ooh, you guys, this doesn't look good. Slitties. Props and rewards. And if you guys aren't using Google Slides already, oh, it's amazing. You guys will love it, love it, love it. It's an amazing thing. I'll have Megan is the one who, Megan Locke is the one who has totally head this up, made this all happen, got her group, and we just joined with her. And so this is her column. Basically what it is it's a way that you can pull up all these pictures or GIFs of things that will help explain your lesson. And it's just they're all these supplementary pictures, basically. They're slides to help your lessons. And so you can just have them like on your phone. You can have them on like an iPad or a tablet. And so then like if you're explaining jump and you can't explain it, then you could pull it up and there'd be a little picture of jump and you could hold it up and you said jump and it shows it. So they're awesome, and they're a great way that if you use Minicam, you can use it in Minicam. But if you're not one of those, if digital rewards seem hard to you, this is still an easy way to do it. You basically just click on the link, you go to it, it has all the slides there, and you can just pull it up on a tablet or something separate and just hold it up to the camera so that they can see, and you can just swipe through them. So really cool resource. We are giving it its own column so that it's not kind of mixed in with the digital rewards, and also so that it automatically updates. So if you have a digital reward idea, add it to the digital rewards and props. Don't add anything to the Google Slides. Megan, I'll have her make a video and explain what we're going to do with that, but this is just going to automatically pull from the like on the, so I'll just show you real quick. So on here, at the bottom, we have the VIP Kid Google Slides. It's just automatically going to pull this first option. There are more options on 2 and 3 if you want to look up your lesson for it, but it's just automatically going to be pulling these Google Slide link number 1 into it, if I understand it correctly, which could be not true, but it's probably true. So that's all you have to do. Add the columns to your personal lesson bank. Everywhere else they're already added, and then it'll generate your stuff correctly. Otherwise, if you don't do it, your columns are going to be one off. I hope this helps. Hope it's easy. If you have any questions, just let me know. Otherwise, good job, and you guys are doing a great job. The lesson bank is always getting better and better.